Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90 on an 18 plate. I can start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the vehicle's boot space first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As you can also potentially see there, we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space, and that is with 7 seats in place as well. You can, of course, fold these rear seats down. Very simple to do. Just lift that and drop the seat in place, and you can see how much that extends that space by. And you can, if you wish to, fold down that middle row of seats also. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of the car from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have a digital readout for the speedometer as well. We've got the total miles for this car. They are 60,679. On the right-hand side, we've got the rev counter. Within the rev counter, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park currently. And below that, we then have the fuel gauge for the car. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our cruise control over on the left-hand side. We have our stereo controls on the right-hand side. Behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddle, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center next, the main touchscreen. So this one physical button here will take you back to the main menu. From there, you can swipe to the right, and you can see your AM, FM, and DAB radio, your Bluetooth audio, USB input, iPod input. We've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available. You can swipe to the left for various safety settings within the vehicle, or you can tap on those menus to open up, in this case, the satellite navigation. We have our audio menu, phone, and down the bottom here is where you can pair up your phone for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. At the very bottom is the menu we started on. So from here, you can adjust your fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed once it enters the car. We can adjust the temperature for the driver, for the passenger. You can close those back down again as well. You can hit auto if you wish to. The car will then take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. We've also got a heated driver's seat, heated steering wheel, and a heated passenger seat, all of which have got 3 different heat settings on each. And if we pop the vehicle into reverse, a full reversing camera there as well, along with a 360 camera, as you can see. And you can tap any one of these cameras to open up that view a little bit closer. Below that, we have the main volume for your stereo and a few physical controls. We have some storage inside this section. And then through the main part, we have a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders. The key for the car is just there. In order that you start this vehicle, just need to make sure the key is with you. That is where you switch the vehicle off and on again. Before you switch it off, the car needs to be in park, which it now is. So that's it off and back on. You can change the driving setup of the car from here. We have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function. Last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. So as you can see, huge amount of extra light available within the cabin area. You can close the sunblind fully over if you wish to, or open it all the way to the back, as well as then opening the front section as a full-size sliding and tilting sunroof. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.